Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about a thing called as dislikes. In fact, I don't know how to put these points. There is no script and I don't know how to convey my message here, but let me try. Now, as a content creator, we have different motivations. Example, some people they make a content on music, some people make a content on comedy. Then we have this entertainment business, then we have tech business where people talk about different new technologies, and then we have how to stuff like how to cook, how to do a makeup, and then we have different categories here. Now, in education category, we have different platforms as well. We have Udemy, we have a plural site. Now, as a author or as a content creator, we have different motivation, because it takes some time to make a content. It's not that easy that you just record a video and everything is working. So before putting a content, there's a lot of brainstorming which is happening, create the content and then understand the content and how to put that into a code, because it's not just about typing the code, it's also about making yourself comfortable with the concept and then making other comfortable with the concept. It takes effort, even if I'm trying to make 2 videos per day, it takes the entire day, making the content, recording it, editing it and publishing it, and also editing the description, thumbnail. It takes a lot of time. For other people who are working on different platforms, money is one of the main motivation which is happening, so money is the motivation. For some people it is fame, because when you get famous, you feel good. For some people it is their passion. When I started this channel, it was all about passion, and suddenly I realized, in the mid of my journey, that people are expecting a lot from me because of the comments, and because I used to get some good comments, which is they got a job because of me, they were able to clear their exams because of me, and some negative comments as well. Some people don't like my videos for various reasons. For some people they don't like my accent, that's fine. Some people don't like the way the examples which I take, and some people they don't like the when I say aliens, that's fine. I know why they don't like my videos. But then for me, when I say motivation, every day when I get up and then I want to make a video, I need motivation, right? And so when I look at my videos, when I look at those comments, I do get motivated. Oh, I'm talking about the positive comments and some negative, so that I can improve myself. And it's very important, as a content creator or as any person, you need to improve yourself every day, right? Now, the way I improve myself is look at the comments, make myself understand what is going wrong, and so that I can improve it. Example, in one of my video, in fact, earlier videos I used to say "and" a lot. So if I'm running a code, if I'm waiting for the output, I used to say "and" a long one. Some people, I got one comment, the person says it is annoying, and that's fine, I know what is going wrong, so in the further videos I will not be doing that. And comments are always helpful. But then we have second thing. So likes and comments, they motivate me. Then we have a second thing which is dislikes, and there is nothing wrong with dislikes. Okay, I'm not saying it hurts when I get dislike. It hurts actually, but then you should be disliking a video. So if you don't like a video, dislike it. That's perfectly fine. But then it creates a confusion, because what is going wrong? Because if you like a video, that means you're liking it. Everything is going good. When you dislike a video, that's where the problem starts, because I don't know what went wrong. Is it the delivery which went wrong? Is it the content is something which is wrong? Or maybe, I'm sure you might be watching the entire video before disliking it, right? Because no one will dislike a video just because it's my video, Imagine, you got a pop-up, Telusko Learning uploaded a new video, dislike it. You don't do that, right? So you watch a video first, and if there's something wrong, you will dislike it. Now, in this case, if something was going wrong, why don't you help me? What if dislike a video, that's completely fine, and also put a comment, what is going wrong with the video? Or if you don't want to put that on a public platform where everyone can read it, you can put that as a private message, on Facebook or on the in the YouTube message section itself. You can do that, right? So you can help me in that. It will be helpful for me because I'll be improving myself. It will be helpful for you because you'll be getting quality content in future. And I'm trying my best to make as much as quality content as possible. The sound, the video, the content, of course, everything. I'm working very hard to make it perfect. And every day you will feel that content is going and the quality is getting increased. In fact, in the old Java series, so basically I have two Java playlists. One is the old one, second is new one. Now, in the old one, everything was perfect. You can learn the entire Java from there. But then there were some videos where the voice was a bit low compared to other videos. There were some videos where the resolution was not perfect. So I thought, okay, if everyone is demanding, because I got a lot of comments, they were demanding that the audio should be good. And what I did, I made a new series, you know. So I'm trying my best to improve the quality. But then if you don't like the videos, just let me know. Because if I see my demographics, or if I look at some videos, there are some videos which I feel is not that perfect, but it has less likes, less dislikes. There are some videos which I feel is perfect and it gets more dislikes. So it confuses what exactly you want and what I should be focusing more on, right? Because it is our channel now, so it's all about you and me. So help me with this. I want to know what type of videos I should be putting, because currently I'm working on Spring Boot and I feel it's good, but then I'm getting some dislikes on those videos. It's not that I'm getting dislikes after some time. It's like instant dislikes. So there's something wrong with the videos, or there's something wrong with the audience. Maybe you want some other videos and I'm making some other videos. Maybe that's possible, because I'm focusing more on Spring. And if you see my demographics, I have some people who are into, so if I see the age thing, as a YouTube content creator, we get the demographics, what age category people are watching your videos. And 50-50, I cannot say 50-50, but then we have different categories. So majority of so I can divide into two sections. 45% of my audience are in colleges in the age of 18 to 24. And then 45% of my audience, they are from age 25 to 35. So it's both, right? People who are working in the industry from a long time, even they are watching my videos, and people who are in colleges now, they are watching my videos. So maybe the content which I'm putting, maybe let's say if I work on Spring Framework, company people will be happy because it is useful for them. Maybe for college students, they don't like it, that's why they dislike. So I want to know what is going wrong. So in the comment section, if you can help me with this, the moment you dislike a video, put a comment. That will be very helpful for me. So that's one thing about dislike, because it is really confusing me, and I don't know why I feel demotivated nowadays when I look at the dislikes. Maybe something is going wrong, maybe, right? Because I'm not concerned about likes, dislike, because that's not a part of my. So that's not is affecting my passion. But then if I want to help you, if I want to put better content, so it's a two-way, right? So if you say dislike, that means you're not liking this series, I should be switching. So that's a confusion which I'm getting. So help me with this. That's it. I don't know how good I was able to convey my point here. I know it's a lengthy video, but I can't help it. So that's it, everyone. That's it. That's about my points. So see you in the next video. By the time, enjoy your weekend and keep learning. Bye bye.